Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. Camtasia have come up with something very good. It's the reverse clip. Now you can play the clip in reverse. You know, before you had to put it on and then you have to slide back. You had to do a lot of different things. But they got this new reverse feature. A lot of people was asking about it and they finally got it. So let me show you how easy it is to do. First, what you want to do is get your video. You see right here, it says man running. And what you want to do, once you get up here, you want to right click and go down here where it says reverse video. And once you click the reverse video, as you can see right here, it's copying the video in reverse. And you can't do it down here. If you right click down here, you're not going to see that reverse feature. You have to do it up here in the media. So as you can see, it's still running, it's doing the reverse, and I'm going to show you how it works. So once it's done, we're going to drop it down into the feed. So that reverse feature is done. Okay, you see right there it says man running reverse. So I'm going to take this and bring it down. I'm just leave a little gap so you can see it's going to go blank once it's start reverses. So here we go. This is the guy running. And once it gets to the reverse, he's gonna come back. As you can see right there, very smooth. So this is in 2022, the latest and greatest. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.